Jai Hind friends, welcome to your channel Career Ladder. The Lost Wallet is a very short story that we will read aloud today. Let's start. Anna, I love walking in the park every day. Anna walks through the park. She feels the warm sun. She smiles. Anna, I will bring my wallet today. Her wallet is small and red. It has a money and ID card. Anna, the birds are singing. This is so nice. She sits on a bench. She listens to the birds. She feels happy. Anna, time to go home. Anna stands up. She forgets her wallet on the bench. Tom, hey, what's this? Tom walks by. He sees the wallet. He picks it up. Tom, there is an ID card. Her name is Anna. Tom wants to help. He goes to the police station. Tom, I found this wallet in the park. Officer, thank you. We will find Anna. Anna gets home. Anna, I want to buy some food. Where is my wallet? She looks everywhere. Anna, oh no, I left it in the park. Anna runs back to the park. She looks for her wallet. Anna, it's not here. What should I do? She sees a police officer. Uh, Officer, hello, are you Anna? Anna, yes, I am. Why? Officer, we have your wallet. Tom brought it to us. Oh, thank you so much. Anna feels happy and relieved. Anna, I will be more careful next time. Anna goes home with a smile. Anna, I'm glad there are kind people like Tom and the officer. Today was a good day. Anna learns a lesson. She learns to be careful. She meets kind people. Anna enjoys the park. She feels happy and thankful. This helps her improve her English. That's all for today. I hope you like this story. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will meet you next time. Till then,